Hey, Summerlin and the rest of the Las Vegas Valley. This is Royalty Plumbing and Water Heater Pros. Hard water in Las Vegas can create buildup over time, and that can affect how tankless systems perform. The fix isn't guessing, it's doing the right service for the unit that you have. Here's the before, and here's the after. Call or text us if you need help. Remember that we just need 3 images, the top connectors, the full unit, and a picture of the label. We'll go ahead and send you that estimate through text, phone, or email.